Hi guys, today I'm going to do a video about this dog that I got for Christmas. I always take it to bed with me, so yeah. And I'm just going to show you how it lights up. It's really bright and batteries already came with it. So wait, you can't see it at the moment because I turned the light off. But it's really bright. That's just my dog. He lights up all different colours. I love it and it's really soft and cuddly. I don't know where my mum got it from because he doesn't tell me where I got, and he didn't tell me where he got anything from. I only guessed where I got my watch from. I got it from Argos. I'm just going to show you it right there. There it is. Wait, it's upside down. Don't think you see it's a frozen watch. Yeah. But it's still lighting up. It's been here for a long time, so yeah. I really love it. So look, it even lots of wait. Now it's lighting up green, blue, and red. If you can see.
Yeah, all right.
So yeah. If you hear a noise, it's just my mum, dad, a brother, or my two sisters. So yeah. And the kettle. Bye. Hope you wait. Sorry. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.